Hello guys. Today I will show you how Torstai farm a crazy amount of eggs really fast in Deepwoken. Over 30 eggs per minute if you are very fast. Wow! I will break down everything I do and why I did it. You will need 2 buttleaxes and enough enchants so you will get all the eggs you want. You will get 32 eggs per enchant so calculate based on that. Now, I begin by picking Etris, but it doesn't really matter which start you pick. Since I have already stacked my bank with enchants, I will switch into the battle axe that I passed down from my last slot, and go enchant it into my guild base. I then leave as fast as I can and go wipe MIA character in the character creation screen. Sometimes if the wipe button doesn't show up, you just need Torstai press it and go back, and it should come back up. Now you should instantly start running towards the hippocampus pool Torstai pass down the axe that you did not enchant.